Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a portfolio with Canva in 2025. So I will show you step-by-step tutorial how you can build your portfolio in a professional way for free. So whether you are a designer, writer, developer or student, this method works for everyone. Now, you might be wondering why Canva. Canva has become more than just a design tool in 2025. It allows you to create fully functional website in a free, fast and no coding required. You can showcase your work, project, resume, testimonials and more all in one place. So let's just jump into it. First thing first, you have to head over to canva.com and log in or sign up for free account. You can even use Google account to sign in instantly. Now, once you are inside Canva, you will get to see this kind of interface in front of you. Now this is a search bar. From here you can create a design, and this is all the features of Canva. You can access it. Now if you want to change the account of yours, you can change from here, as you can see here. Now you can come here and start exploring, so you will get the idea. Now we have to search for a portfolio website. Now for example, I want to search for website. So what I will do, websites portfolio. So there are two ways you can create your website. First, you can create from scratch, as you can see here. Just if you want to create from scratch, just click on the create design and search for portfolio website. So I think I have made mistake in the spelling, and as you can see here, you can select this canvas and just start from scratch. Now if you want templates, as you can see here, Canva has thousands of templates which are pre-built, so you can use it. So I had already made a I have already chosen a template. So this is a basic website of portfolio. As you can see here, they have I have chosen this template from design. So after choosing it, just simply click on your template, and it will ask you to if you want to use one page, you can select that. If you want to use all page, just simply click on the apply 14 page or all page. So yeah, you have to choose the template. If you want to create from scratch, you can do that, but sometimes it gets complicated for beginners, so I will suggest you to just start with the templates. Now here you can customize homepage. Start with the homepage. This is your first impression. Add your name or brand at the top. As you can see, they have entered the logo and the brand name as well. Now you can write a short intro about who you are and what you do, and insert a professional photo or illustration over here. As you can see here, they have uh, added an image. Now you can even add a short tagline, like if you are a designer or developer, you can type like you are a creative developer with a passion of design. So yeah, you can add do more good with better design. This is the tagline and this is the short description. This is their brand name and the photo. So if you want to upload your own photo, then come in the left side, you will get to see this upload but option. Just simply click over here. So from here you can upload your all images into Canva, so you can use it. In my case, I am using this image just for the sake of tutorial, so don't be so you have to make it professionally, so make sure you have chosen a good image. So I will just simply drag that image into that photo. So yeah, I will reposition it. Sorry, this is a photo. Now do more good with better design. So I will just, so I am making for portfolio for my designing or video editing skills. So what I will do, I'll just go in the chat GPT and search for, I will give the prompt to create a tagline for my video editing services. Create tagline for my video editing services. So wait a minute. So ChatGPT has given me this uh, taglines. What you will do, just your story seamlessly told. So I'll copy that just for sake of tutorial. You have to spend time little bit, and I will just align with in a good way. So okay, this is not good. I will resize this one. Now you can add your maker services. My company name is Maker, and if you want to add logo, this is I think pre-built photo of that company's logo. You can just upload that image and you can make resize it, and it will you can add your own logo. So after that you can give a short intro. For example, create a short intro for my video editing service. I make documentary style videos. So just search it, and like it's too big for that. For home page it should be short, like one line, and just prompt it. So as you can see here, he has given me this short intro of my services. So yeah, you can just replace it. So let's what you can change about us, where what you do. For example, create about me. I provide video editing services in low cost and high quality documentary. So yeah, so you have to, I mean, like you have to create by yourself. Just sake of tutorial, I am using ChatGPT. You have to make sure that you are creating a great about yourself. uh, okay, just reposition it. So that's it. And you, if you want to change the photo, you can do that as well. So I'm a passionate video editor specializing in high quality documentary style. So yeah, sorry for the disturbance. So what I'm saying that you can add your own image. So yeah, this is a description of mine. Like it gives a basic idea what I do in terms of video editing, what I'm specializing in. So it tells all about me. So about maker, we'll change it. Now scroll down, where birds of all father create together. So it's like they have given a small so I don't know, I think they have included more about themselves. For example, so uh, like I don't need this, I will just simply delete this page. Now if you want to show your work, what you have to do is just simply replace these images with other things. For example, if you want to add your videos in the Canva, what you have to do, if you have uploaded your video on the YouTube, what you can do is just simply click, you can click on the apps and search for the YouTube, and just simply search for YouTube and add that YouTube app into your Canva. As you can see here, I have added this app in my Canva. So I can just simply drag that video into my Canva and uh, place it in my our work. But for example, no everyone not everyone don't use YouTube. For example, I want Google Drive. So what I will do, search for Google Drive. I don't know the Google Drive app is available for Canva or not. So they have given. So add media from your Google Drive to your design. Just simply click on the open, and after opening you will get to see that you have to paste a link. For example, I will go in my Google Drive and just search for it. Okay, this is not, I think this is that. So give me a second, I'll be back. So you can connect Google Drive with this Canva application. Just simply click on the connect. It will redirect to your Google Drive account. So I think my internet is a little bit slow, so it will take a few seconds. Make sure your internet working in the right way. Now select the account. So give the permission, and it will connect the Google Drive of yours with Canva. So it is a lot easier than YouTube. So you can use YouTube as well if you have uploaded your videos. And if you don't use Google Drive and YouTube, both of them, then what you have to do is just simply uh, upload the video in Canva and then place it over here. So if you don't want to connect Google Drive and you don't want to, for example, I have video upload, and what I will do, I will just simply search that video and this video. Okay, can I drag it? Okay, so as you can see here, I have added my video over here, and I can resize it and place it where I want it. So this is how you can add your videos into your work. And if you want to add images, the process is same which we have already made it. So you can do that. You can go, if you want to upload a video, you can upload, go into upload and just upload it a video. So that's it. And you can give your contact information. Now make it easy for people to contact you. So they have lots of social media, like they have given lots of things. And now if you want to create contact us page, just simply add a section, and you can add your contact information into that blank page. You can also add a button that says hire me or let's work together. So for doing that, what you can do is just simply go into elements and hire me button, search for hire me button, and just you can change, I think, the text. No, you cannot change. You can, for example, this is a hire me button, or this one, wait, let me search in the graphs and the photos. Okay, mockups, shapes, chart. So you have to search it. I mean, like, you will not get instantly. Click here, contact us. So you can add the button by designing that button into Canva. For example, this one, this is a call me. Looks good. You can change the color based on your website theme. So you can just simply click on that and you can give your all the information. For example, so you can create a different form of contacting. I have already made a tutorial on that. Search for how to make a contact form in Canva. So you can go there and just link with this button. So whenever the user click on this, it will redirect it to that contact form, and it will insert his in all the information, and you will get the information and you can contact them. So yeah, that's it. You can and you can add your own details over here. Just go in the text and you can design it as well, but just sake for the sake of this tutorial, what I will do, I will just copy this good looking graphic and put it over here. So just resize it, go into elements, search for email graphics, and as you can see here, we have lots of options. Just drop it over here, resize it, and change the color with the green. And from here you can add your text. So email is your email @ gmail.com. You can resize it and put it in a way where it looks good. You can add image over there. For example, what I will do is just go into elements back and search for frame. So it will search that frame. Now in this frame I can add that image so it will look in a good way. Just search for and go again in an element, search for contact photo. So element is basically where you can get all of those things like graphics, photos, audios, videos, whatever you want related to your design. You can search it and you will get that basic elements in Canva. Something's not available, you can just Google it and upload it over here. So you can use in the Canva as well. So I will just put this. So you can create a basic contact info page. So that's it. Yeah, you can preview your website. As you can see here, just simply click on the preview. So it will give you the preview of your website, how it will look like on the desktop and the phone. So as you can see here, the animation looks very great, and just simply see that. So just you have to customize on a little bit. So I have just customized a little bit of portion because uh, the tutorial will be very long and it will make boring you. So you can customize all the text, all the images, you can add your own images, you can add your own videos. So yeah, and after all seeing all the preview, you can just simply click on the publish website. So it will take you to this pop-up. From here you can resize on mobile, and if you want to change the website URL, just simply click on this pencil icon. It will change the URL as well. Now I don't need to change the URL, so I will just simply publish a website. So it will prepare your design, which is created by Thomas Watson Jr. So yeah, now we view website. You can copy the link and share with anyone, with your clients, with like anyone you can share it. Just view the website with this domain, and yeah, here we go. It will take a second to load because I think my internet is a little bit slow. I will apologize for that. So yeah, there we go. You have successfully created a portfolio of your work. Now once after, as you can see here, it will take a little bit time to load because my internet is not that good. You can replace this video. uh, I don't replace with this. So yeah, that's all you can. And that's how you can create a professional free portfolio website using Canva in 2025. No tech skill needed. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And yeah, you customize it, you make and share with us in the comment section. So thanks for watching.